Wall completely ruined? Stop paying hundreds for an expensive handyman. Just squeeze and wipe. It dries incredibly strong and looks brand new. This viral repair paste is ready to use right out of the box, no mixing required. Fix annoying wall cracks or ugly nail holes in seconds. It's completely safe, non-toxic, and odorless. It even smooths out wooden baseboards chewed up by your puppy, saving you a massive replacement bill. Stubborn stains wipe away to pure white. Grab today's flash deal. Click the bottom left now.